Good morning, children. Today we'll learn about the grammar part, that is second semester. Okay. Annotations also very important. In second semester, the vision for 2020, second semester, annotations are there. What is the role of the youth? What is the role of the youth in the strengthening the nation by 2020? This is a question. There are 700 million people below 35 years of age in the population of billion people. Our country needs to young leaders who came comment the change of transformation of India. The youth should be not rushed by seeing the laurels of the past. Always the youth must have to imagination to reach high standard of living style. They should dream big. They must have courage to face any challenge and even to help others to become ideal people, quality leaders of magnets that will be attracting the best person to build up the team. Right? This is the question. So what is the important annotations? 100% literacy health for all the multiple industries and agriculture productivity and a lifestyle with the value system. Introduction. These lines are taken from the lesson A Vision for 2020 by the APJ Abdul Kalam, own country, believes strongly in dream big. Since we got independence, we have to be in facing numerous problems. Meaning, we got independence in 1947. Since then we have to know great leaders plan to achieve 100% literacy and health. So Kalam Garu, with his great vision, spreading the seeds of ideas of prosperity and to have to positive attitude, unity and integrity. In order to the meaning, we got independence in 1947. Since then, we got no great leaders to plan to achieve 100% literacy and health. So, Kalam, with his great vision, spreading the seeds of ideas of prosperity and do have to positive attitude towards unity and integrity. That is the meaning. In order to realize to develop India by 2020, 5 key areas have been identified for the integrated action. Introduction. These lines are taken from the lesson A Vision for 2020. Hey! APJ Abdul Kalam. Context. APJ Abdul Kalam started visited schools and colleges to conversate all the future leaders of India. He put number of questions to them and answered all the questions of the students also. He thought that some of the core points should be there to meet our vision. What is the meaning of that? Agriculture and food processing with a target of 360 million tons of food and agriculture products in the year. Education and healthcare aimed at increasing the employment leading to social security. Infrastructure development, information and communication technology is core competence. This progress in a nuclear, space and defense technologies will be products in here, education, healthcare, increasing to employment, leading to social security. Infrastructure development, information and communication technology is core competencies. The progress is nuclear, space and defense technologies will be provide growth and self-reliance for the nation. This is the very important annotations for the students. So now we can study of the grammar part. That is, do you know the children's what is the grammar part? That is the parts of speech. What is the parts of speech is there? There is 8 parts are there. That is a noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective and preposition and conjunctions. In this adjective we can learn about that. An adjective is a word used with the noun to adding something its meaning. It is called adjective. For example of this, she is a clever student. Clever is adjective. We can make underline for that. He is a lazy boy. Lazy you can make underline for that. Lazy boy. It does not work properly in that. It is called lazy boy. Ramu is an honest boy. She is a hard working girl. Hard working you can make competency of that. You can make underline for that. There are 4 kinds of adjectives are there. What are the 4 kinds of adjectives? Number 1 is an adjective of quality, an adjective of quantity, an adjective of number, an adjective of demonstrative. These 4 type of adjectives are there. Adjective of quality, it's very important. Example, large, big, honest, small, foolish, good, gorgeous, expensive, delicious, like that. For example of this adjective of quality, Mumbai is the largest city. Large you can make underline for that. Large city. Large an adjective. Is a good boy. Good is make underline for that. You can make it. That is a good is the adjective. She is a studious girl. Studious is the adjective. Ravi bought an expensive car. Expensive is the adjective. An adjective of quantity. Adjective of quality is different from adjective of quantity. Example, some, much, little, enough, no, any. These are the adjective of quantity. He ate some rice. He ate some rice. Adjective, rice, some rice. I showed much patience. Much means this is the adjective. She has little intelligence. Little is the adjective. You had enough exercise. Enough is the adjective. You had enough exercise. They did not eat any sweets. Any is the adjective. This is a type of adjective. It's called the adjective of quantity. Isn't it what I'm saying? So adjective of quality, adjective of quantity. It's completed. Third one is an adjective of number. An adjective of number. Numerical adjectives. It is called known as numerical adjective. Numerical adjectives are all 3 types. What are they? Number 1 is definitive numerical adjectives. 1, 2, 3 or first, second, third, like that. Indefinitive numerical adjectives. All, no, many, few, some. Many, some. These are indefinitive numerical adjectives. Distributive adjectives. Distributive numerical adjectives. Each, either, every. Each, either, every. This is the numerical adjectives. They have 5 children. 5 is the numerical adjective. Few students have attended the class. Few is the numerical adjective. All men will go. All is the numerical adjective, like that. Next one is, last one is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. Examples: this, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. This boy is industrious. This boy. This means this is the demonstrative. These mangoes are sweet. These mangoes are sweet. These is the adjectives, demonstrative adjective. Those girls are clever. Those is the adjective. That wall is tall. That is the demonstrative adjectives. See that. These are numerical adjectives. Fine. I will give you a little bit example of this. Fill in the blanks with choosing the correct adjective from list below. Heavy, several, every, what, second grade, good, same, few, next. Shh. The ship is sustained dash damage, few, FEW, few damage. I have called dash times, several times. Every dog has its day. This is the proverb of all. Every dog has day. This is the proverb of common to all. Dash time is that. What is the time? It. What is the time? Is it? Time is it? It is also example for that. And Abdul won the prize. Dash prize. Second prize. Second is the adjective. The man fell down from the dash height. Heavy. Good wine needs no bush. Don't say the thing twice over same. He is a man of dash words, great words, a man of great words. My uncle lives in the dash house, next house. These are also adjectives. See that. These are so many types of adjectives are there in that. And we discuss about the vocabulary. Vocabulary. What is vocabulary? What is the meaning of that? VOCABULARY. 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 We will discuss two things that is very, very important things in vocabulary. Oxymoron and hyperbole. What is the oxymoron? What is the hyperbole? Very, very important in the semester 2. Maybe they will ask the questions from the syllabus. It's very important. Oxymoron and hyperbole. Oxymoron is a figure of speech where contradictory terms are combined to create a specific effect, the instance defining silence. Oxymorons are commonly formed by combining an adjective and a noun with the contrasting meanings. For example, oxymoron means cruel kindness. Both are same words. Both are different words, but combined with that too. Combined with that. Cruel is in Telugu version Bhayankaramaina. Kindness is a Prema Jali. Living death. This is also opposite words, but combined with that. This is called figure of speech. This is called oxymoron. Open secret. This is also combined words. Foolish wisdom. Foolish is different from wisdom. This is also figure of speech. It is called oxymoron. Hyperbole. Exaggerated. Hyperbole is an exaggerated or an overstatement which is not meant to be taken literally. A simple example of hyperbole is what we often say when. Right, we are discussing about the hyperbole. Hyperbole is an exaggerated statement or overstatement which is not meant to be taken literally. A simple example of hyperbole is what we often say when we meet a friend after some time. I have I haven't seen you in ages. Look at a few more examples of this. He is as old as the hills. I haven't I haven't had time to breathe. I haven't bad time to breathe is a very typical sentence. I have million issues to sort out. So many problems are there, but he will think about that. Just is discussing that. I have a million issues to sort out. This is also very important. What is the activity will be given to the student? Look at the two sets of the lines below. These are exact from poems by Alfred Lord Tennyson and W. Charan. Identify the figures of speech used in these lines. The shackles of love straightened him. We see that. W. Charan. The shackles of love straightened him. His honor rooted in a dishonor stood, and faith unfaithful kept him falsely true. See that. I love you, dear. I love you too. What? Go.
What this?
What? What? Ah, yes. I will love you, dear. I love you till China and Africa meet, and the river jumps over the mountain. These are hyperboles. These are hyperboles. Skeleton, that is called skeleton system. Lizard, like this families belongs to that families belongs to lizard. Okay? Right, I will tell you later on in Telugu version, okay? Right, spellings. What is the spellings? Spellings patterns able, ABLE and IBLE. The suffixes and prefixes are there, both sounds. And ABLE are common spelling patterns for adjectives. They mean able to or fit for instance. Available, AVAILABLE is available. BLE is came. IBLE is different from ABLE. Able to understand, used, or able to used or obtained. What is that? Audible to be heard. Breakable, able to be heard. Breakable, ABLE, able to be broken. Visible, able to be seen. Able to be seen. The most important differences is that able is a suffix which is gets suffixed very virtually and verb without using the hyphen. While IBLE is not used to make a new words. It is presented only in the old words passed down through the centuries. See that valuable, VALUE plus ABLE, valuable, VALUABLE, valuable. Desirable, DESIRABLE, desirable. Believable, BELIEVABLE. Movable, MOVEABLE. Excitable, EXCITABLE. Either can be written for dropout in the following words: likable, lovable, usable. Most IBLE words derive directly from the Latin words. Audible comes from the Latin audibles, while able is used toward distinctly French or English, such as conceivable. What do you want? Tell me, what do you want? Chips you want?
No.
Go and get out from the home. No problem for that. Doesn't matter. Go.
No.
The suffix is able to not use today from the new terms, but there are limited seats or IBLE words. When the word ends with able to, part of much less likely to be able to recognizable words in English. Children, today you want to make activity for that. Number one, make a list of 25 words ending with ABLE, IBLE. Check their meanings in the dictionary and use any in 10 in sentences. See that. What happened? Conversation and role replay. This is also very important topic to us today. Making requests or accepting or refusing the request. It is very important to be polite. When you make requests, you can make requests by using the following expressions. See, humble request. Sometimes we don't know how to spell the words or how to spell the sentences. You should know that. Can you? Could you? Can you? Could you? What you want?
I want cucumber.
Okay, take that. Can you? Could you? Could you please? Will you? Would you mind? Would you mind? Here are some examples of how to make request. Can you? Will you? Could you? Could you please open the door for me? Can you open the door for me? Will you open the door for me? Could you open the door for me?
Yes.
Could you please open the door for me? Yes.
Yes, coming.
You, shh. Would you mind open the door for me? Note that could is more polite than can, isn't it? You should be remember that. Would you mind is followed by the verb plus ing. Okay. Look at the dialects below. See that Vimala. Ali, could you do for me a favor, please? I did like to pick up the passport application form for me on your way back from the office. Way back from the office. This is the respecting. She will ask the Ali to Vimala. Ali, sure, I will do that today. Sure, I will do that today. Vimala, hope it won't be problem. Won't be problem. Ali, of course not. No problem at all. Vimala, thanks. Ali, not at all. When you give the conversation both between Vimala and Ali, they are discussing purely the polite words. In polite words. Look at the exchanges below. All of them refer to offers and help the responses to such offers look like the questions and answers are present. Can I help you? Shall I stand there? No need. Huh? Yes, please. I would like to know what time the train leaves. Shall I open the window for you? Yes, please. That would be very kind of you. Would you like another cup of coffee? No, thank you. Would you like another cup of siffy? If you would not mind. Would you like some cake? Yes, please. Or if you are not interested, no, thank you, you can say. Would you like to watch the movie? Okay, thanks, sounds good. No, I would not write that part. If you are not interested. Wait, what time? Sorry, I'm little busy this weekend. Yeah, okay, fine. See that. These are important words are for. Important words are there. And Working in pace, write and intact with the following situations in the form of brief dialogues. Choosing appropriate expressions from those given above in each of case, write two versions, one where the request is agreed to wind, then other where it is declined. Mr. Joseph's wife is going to Mumbai. He requests his company's office there is book a hotel room for her. Right. Chandra reviews her neighbors Madhu to lend her suitcase. Priya goes to the head of the department with the request for day's leave. These are the important words of it today. Simply, I will explain the reading comprehension passages. What is the reading comprehension passage? To ability to understand the passage, one of the part in the grammar. That is the village of Ankapur. Ankapur is a small but self-sufficient and agriculturally rich village in the Nizamabad district. It is a model for all villages in the Telangana, located in Armoor Mandal on National Highway 63. It is around 20 kilometers away from the district headquarters. The village has many urban facilities and therefore it is called mini USA, United States of America. Farmers belonging to this region and known as having adopted modern farming methods in cultivating commercial crops like turmeric, maize and vegetables on a large scale, unlikely many other villages of the district growing the traditional crops like paddy. These modern methods of farming have helped the farmers increasing their output in despite scanty rainfall and other adverse situations. Hence, almost 75% of the farmers in the village have been able to repay their bank loans without seeing any favors or assistance from the government authorities. Some national and international agriculture research bodies such as ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, ICRISAT, ICRIS8, International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropic, and the National International Rice Institute have been recognized Ankapur as a model village. Over 500 educated youth of this village are either working or pursuing higher educations abroad, including the United States of America. United States of Arab Emirates, Ankapur is the only village in India to have decided to web portal created by NRIs. Okay. Beside the income from agriculture productions, the economy of the village is boosted by the money sent by those who are working abroad. The women of the village have a crucial role in the boosting its economy. There are around 22 seed processing units in the village. The red jowar and seed development there is exported to northern Indian states. Seeds companies like Pioneer, Proagro, Ganga, Kaveri, Tulasi and Nuzivid have processing units in the village. These companies have mitigated the problems of unemployment to large extent. Chief Minister of K. Chandrasekhar Rao on visit the village praised work of the villagers and urged the other villages in the state to emulate Ankapur and attain self-sufficiency. These are the important of the Ankapur. Maybe they will ask the questions like this also. Where is the Ankapur located? In Armor Mandal, Nizamabad district. Why is Ankapur called mini USA? It has many urban facilities are there. It has many urban facilities are there. It is called mini USA. What are the commercial crops growth in village? Turmeric, maize, vegetables. What is the main source of income for Ankapur? Agriculture. It's a agriculture. How do NRIs help Ankapur's economy? By dedicated web portal. Describing the importance of the seed processing units in Ankapur. 22 units are there in the village. What did the Chief Minister urge the village in Telangana to do? Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. How much? How much? How do NRIs help Ankapur's economy? By dedicated a web portal. Describe the importance of the seeds processing units in Ankapur. 22 units are in the village. What did the Chief Minister urge the village in the Telangana to do? Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on a visit to the village praised the work of the villages and urged the other villages in the state to emulate Ankapur and attain self-sufficiency. Why is Ankapur considered a model village? It has many urban facilities. Write down note on your village or village nearby your area. What are the major developments that have taken place in the village in the past 10 years? Okay, this writing also very important. Reading and writing also very important. That informal letters. Informal letters are the names. Suggests are written to friends and relatives. Their tone is therefore personal and the style. Used informal or sometimes even conversational informal letters could be about your home, family, work and something interesting that happened to you. There is a letter written to be classmates describing the farewell party that you should be not attended and letter writing to your uncle inquiring about his health and examples of informal letters. Like that. Imagine to your Nafisa Fano, write letter to your auntie telling to about your study to your tour went to do with the teachers and classmates. Soft skills also very important. Value education. Soft skills, value education. Okay?
అవన్నీ దూర్వాళ్ళు చేస్తున్నారు.
Stitch in time 79. Stitch in time 79 is famous proverb. Proverb is considered but memorial, saying that represents some important fact of experiences that is taken as a true by many people. These proverbs meaning is quite sample. 1 minute, 1 minute. Don't cry, I will give you. Shh. Thank you.